Now that we've learned more about sheets, let's go ahead and make a very simple sheet with just student information. So you're going to go ahead and start by clicking on New, scroll down to Sheets, and click on that. This is going to pull up a blank sheet for you to go ahead and get started. Exit all of this stuff so we have a clean workspace. Now you can either double click on a cell to type in it, or you can type in up here. But first, let's rename this to Student Information. Type in cell A1. So as you can see, all of the rows are organized by numbers and all of the columns are organized by letters. So let's type in this one, student name. So from here, you're going to type in student names below that category. So go ahead and type in a bunch of random names. Now that we've finished putting in some random names, I just listed it as student 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you can use your students' real names or whatever you feel suits this. Next, in the next box, B1, we're going to type in guardian name. In the next cell, we can move over by pressing Enter. That'll move us down, or you can use the arrow keys on your computer to help you move around on the sheet. So now we're going to go ahead and type in phone number. Next one, we're going to do address. And the last one will be allergies. This is just some of the most important information that I know as teachers we keep track of and probably refer to the most. And again, you can go ahead and fill all this in with random information, just kind of getting a feel for our spreadsheet. I wanted to pause on filling in my information because I'm going to show you one of the smart AI features that they have on Google Sheets. So this is a smart fill option. If it sees that you're typing in a lot of the same information, it's going to ask you if you want a smart fill. You can just go ahead and click the check mark and it'll do all the work for you. I'm going to keep in typing information into these next parts. Now that we have all that done, I'm going to show you how to move a columns over so that you can see a little bit more information. So if this was a normal address, it'd be pretty long. So to move a column, all you have to do is grab the little line that defines it and move it to however you want. Next, I'm going to change the color of the top row. So an easy way to do this is just select the row that you would like, then touch the fill option right over here. Try to fill it with a lighter color to make this black text easier to read. And lastly, I'm going to show you one of the more helpful features, and that is locking. So you can freeze a row to make it where that row follows you throughout the whole document. And I know personally, I know student names a little bit better than I know their parent names, phone numbers, and all that kind of information. So I want their names to stay in place while I look at my document. I can do that by right-clicking, scrolling all the way down. So you can see there's a lot of options to click here, but for right now we're just going to click View More. And then this is going to freeze. So freeze up to column A. That means that our student names are going to stay everywhere with us on the document right there in that spot. Thank you for watching.